Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to do the weekly analysis quickly so we can be able to prepare for what will be happening in the market in the course of the week. Like you all remember, we are smart money traders, so we're trading smart money, ICT, okay, smart money and ICT. So now smart money has really helped us a lot in becoming profitable in our journey. So what is DXY showing us? So let's look at our analysis. You see that the analysis is still on, and some of the beautiful areas that has been marked are still very key. So I'll be interested in what happens to this low in the course of the week, and then what happens to this low, this high, this lower high in the course of the week. Now this is the important of what I just did. It's just for me to be able to see this inner cycle of what will be happening in my entry time frame, okay? Because much liquidity is here and much liquidity is here, so I'll be interested in this range. This most likely going to be a range, okay, to be a range of liquidity before probably price would break out. So if this range is confirmed, that means price reaching here and returning back to this place. Then I'm going to be swinging trade. I'm going to swing trade for a while before there's a breakout. So meanwhile, GU has been bullish, though it gave a long bearish retracement. But if you look at what's going on right now, you see that GU is trying to go bullish, but that has not yet been fully confirmed. Now let's see if there are some things we can spot here. Okay, so this is a breakout block. So and then it gave this move. So most likely, if price takes out this low, this 4 hours low, it will be coming down to this breakout block. Then if it doesn't take out this low, it takes out probably this high, then it will be coming to this liquidity. Okay, now remember to trade liquidity, because that's where we can get most of the money. I don't think it's necessary for us to look at it from the 24 hours time frame or from the 1 week time frame, because price hasn't gotten to the last edge, the last highs and lows that we already marked. Price hasn't gotten there, so we can still leave them drawn like this. So what we just did for GU can also be replicated on DXY, because this is the pair this is the determining factor for whatever happens to that particular pair. So if you watch closely, you find that DXY is ranging. Can you see that now? So it has formed double top here, though this is a little bit higher than this. So that means if this is a failed low, then maybe probably price is coming to this side. But I'll be interested to see in price take out this range of liquidity. Okay, but until price does that, we're going to be swing trading. So how do you swing trade? You buy when it is low, you sell when it is high. Okay, then you make sure you deal with the premium and discount choices. So that's the basic for what's going to happen. So you're going to be looking out for my updates on the group. Some also with gold. What's going to be happening with gold? Let's take out this. What's going to be happening with gold? So like I said, if DXY is ranging, that means gold might range within this side. So I'll be looking out for the breakout on DXY before I can understand the breakout on gold. But I'm seeing an imbalance here, and I see price most likely after testing this liquidity coming back to fill up this imbalance for gold. So those of you on the VIP, watch out for the update on gold. Let me go straight to euro. All right, for euro, euro has been giving us what it's giving me. So let's see. This high has been taken out, so this is the next level. So this is the inner cycle here, this one, and then this one. Okay, then this one. So I'm going to be looking at for price to take out this OB. Okay, the OB has retested twice and it's acting like a point of resistance because it has retested multiple times and even now. Okay, so this might give EU a range, just like we've seen that replicate itself on GU, we've seen it replicate itself on DXY. So there might be some level of range here before price breaks, probably either takes out this high or this OB and goes up or goes down. So that's the reason why you need to pay close attention to my updates. But just take note that we're going to be looking out for strong liquidity sides. Strong liquidity. I'm very much interested in this liquidity side. If price takes out this one, very much interested in this. So those strong liquidity sides is places we need to pay close attention to. If you look, you see that EU has been on an uptrend, but for it to have failed with this high, then this high took out this high, then this one failed again, then it's in for a range, and then this low took out this low, so it's in for a range. So let's see what plays out. Like I said, I'm going to be updating. Okay, I'm going to be updating. Maybe it might retrace to the next mitigation block. Okay, not a mitigation block. What we have here is a breakout. We have a breakout block here. If you understand the concept of a breakout block, let me show you. So price comes straight, tested like this, and then goes like it wants to go up, and then suddenly breaks down, and then what does it do? It pushes up. So you don't chase it when it pushes up. Sorry, let me take out this, and then from here price pushes up. Okay, so what does it do? Price ought to come back to this POI. It's supposed to come back to this POI before it's taken up again. Okay, that's here. So but if you look closely, you see that price did not get to that breakout block. It didn't quite get close to it. Let me see if it gets close to it. Let me draw a line from there. Okay, it did not get in the breakout block. Price didn't get into the breakout block. So that means what happened here is price did this and then repeated the same thing here. Repeated the same thing here. So there's a breakout here. If you look, you see that price came like this, went like this, came like this, went like this, and then crashed down to this POI, and then repeated the same thing and rested on this block. So this was where price stopped. So these are things you need to look out for. So for perfect entries, we're going to be looking out for mitigation block. Then we're going to be looking out for breakout block. Then we'll look out for FVG, that's fair value gap. Then we look out for imbalance. Then we look out for order block. Then we look out for rejected block or rejection block. Okay, these are the things that we're going to be using. So this is the order of the confluences. So mitigation comes first before breaker, then FVG. So for the fundamentals, I don't think there is much, but you can just check Forex Factory to see the impact of news. time is up for this analysis. I don't think there's much for tomorrow. Price has been doing. This is what the news is pointing out for the fundamentals. So we're only going to have a high impact news by 2:45. That's for tomorrow. Then what else? 3 p.m. the next day, that's Tuesday. Then we have 1 p.m. Australian dollar, 2 a.m. That's on 5th. Then on 6th we have Euro, and then USD. So we're going to be marking out the high impact news. Remember that it's very risky to trade at such times, so we'll be trading with lots of cautions. Okay, so just have that in mind. So tomorrow is 3rd June. Let's stay on 3rd June. So this is the one we have to do with, and there's not much on this fundamental news, but you can check them out. You can read them briefly and see how it affects your trading. But there's not much here. It's not much. China defense, chief swipes. There's not much happening here. So that's it. So for all I've said so far, I've already told you to look out for the free channel. For those of you on the free channel, just look out for the updates on GU. For those of you on the VIP, look out for the updates on gold and EU. I already said we should stick to these 3 currency pairs for the course of the week, because you see these 3 currency pairs can give us more than enough money for what we need to achieve. We can actually achieve our targets. So remember, it's better to simplify trading. Okay, the more simplicity you apply in trading, the better you are in correcting any error. For peradventure there are errors, okay, in entries. So let's not complicate things by getting our hands into too many pairs. Let's maximize Euro, GP, USD, and gold this week, and let's see how profitable we'll be. So I'll be looking forward to giving you all the update, like I said. Then also be looking forward to having you on Friday during the weekly review. Until then, enjoy.